Start slowly. Begin by gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your healthy fat consumption. This approach will help your body adjust to the new dietary changes more easily. Include healthy fats. Emphasize sources of healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds in your meals. These fats provide essential nutrients and help keep you satiated. Focus on protein. As a woman in your 40s, it's important to prioritize protein intake to support muscle health. Incorporate high-quality sources of protein, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and tofu, into your meals. Don't skimp on fiber. While the keto diet is low in carbohydrates, it's still crucial to include fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, broccoli, and flax seeds. These will support digestive health and prevent constipation. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is vital for overall health, especially on a ketogenic diet. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day to maintain hydration and support proper bodily functions. Monitor electrolytes. As your body transitions into ketosis, it may excrete more electrolytes, leading to imbalances. Include foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium, or consider electrolyte supplements to avoid deficiencies. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and satiety cues. The ketogenic diet often helps regulate appetite, making it easier to recognize when you're truly hungry or full. Be mindful of micronutrients. Ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients by including a range of colorful vegetables in your meals. This will provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health. Improved cognitive function. Many women notice increased mental clarity and focus on a ketogenic diet. The stable blood sugar levels achieved through ketosis can positively impact brain health. Hormonal balance. For women over 40, maintaining hormonal balance becomes increasingly important. The keto diet has been shown to have positive effects on hormones, including insulin, which can aid in managing weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.